It is now illegal for businesses in Zimbabwe to charge for goods and services above the official exchange rate. Authorities gazetted a statutory instrument today that places penalties of up to 200,000 ZiG, or the value of goods sold. Previously, businesses could mark up prices by up to 10% above the official rate. ZTN Prime's business correspondent Eben Mabunda joins us to discuss this. Good evening, Eben. Now, this has been a long way in the making. Did you expect the penalties to be of this magnitude?
Well, good evening, Marisa. The biggest concern here has been the parallel market rates that we've been seeing playing out in the economy, and of course the disparity between the formal value of the ZiG vis-a-vis that on the black market, with parallel market premiums ranging as high as 50-60%, hence this kind of intervention. When you then do the calculations, you find that we are looking at a figure of about 15,000 US dollars in penalties, which is quite a significant amount, and perhaps an indication of just how serious the central government is taking the currency issue at this particular point. But of course, this is indicative of the challenges that have been encountered with the introduction of the new currency, the ZiG, particularly in terms of the adoption across the market by both the informal sector as well as the formal sector.
Right, even with Governor John Mushayavanu indicated in his monetary policy that the exchange rate will be market driven, why then are we still seeing a parallel market?
Well, while the central bank is providing foreign currency for formal businesses for them to be able to carry out their business on a day-to-day basis, it's important to understand that Zimbabwe is the world's second most informalized economy behind Afghanistan, with an informalization rate that is estimated at over 80%. So within that informal market, there remains a demand for United States dollars. Also bearing in mind that about 23% of this economy is retail as well as wholesale. That means that the informal traders will still need to buy their commodities from South Africa, buy their commodities from Zambia, Tanzania, and different parts of the world, and that creates increased demand for the US dollar. Rentals still need to be paid in the United States dollars. Landlords are not as yet accepting payment in the ZiG, at least predominantly across the economy. At the same time, payment of duties, payment of fuel is still widely accepted in the United States dollar, and so for as long as conditions of that nature remain in place, the demand for the USD will be increased. So to reverse that, there will be need to introduce mechanisms that raise the demand for the ZiG, particularly from the government, which of course gives policy guidance across the rest of the economy.
Konapo ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.